Hi, today let's discuss another archetype, and today it's the magician. It's a mystical or supernatural character who possesses knowledge and power beyond the ordinary, often guiding the hero on their journey. Sometimes they are the mentor also, and the old woman and man. So, an example would be Albus Dumbledore in the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling. Of course, Albus Dumbledore, also calm, also humble, but also powerful. So he is a magician. Apart from him, an example would be Merlin or Arthurian legends. So we know who they are in literature and text that we see or watch or read. Now, why do you think we have an archetype of the magician? What does it say about the human psyche? I think that the magician represents a very human need to have someone powerful to protect them. I think that it makes us human beings feel comfortable knowing that someone powerful is there, able to protect us. And so they represent divine power, they represent divine intervention. And we do that to make ourselves feel at home and comfortable.